Hey, it's Logan here. Sorry, I'm on duty. So if you're seeing this, I'm in day 4 of my surgery recovery. Sorry I couldn't be with you today, but I wanted to tell you a little bit about what I've been doing this summer. So over the course of the summer, I took two 40-hour courses. One was automation and robotics with Project Lead the Way, and the second one was another 40-hour course on design and modeling. And I didn't really know what to expect. But after doing all the courses, both of them, I feel really good about not doing solely science, seventh and eighth grade science, but actually taking this project lead the way by the reins and engaging students in STEM oriented science, technology, engineering, and mathematics oriented classes, teaching them about the design process, which is much like the scientific method, and then fostering them to come up with strategies and mechanisms and design mechanics for solving a problem that I present to them. So instead of me talking to you a lot about stuff that I didn't even get hands on because of COVID, well, I was in a virtual course for those 80 hours. I did get a little hands on personally where they sent me a kit and I got to work with that, but most of it was virtual. And I just want to show you a video on Project Lead the Way. So without further ado, let's watch this short 5-minute video.
Maybe it goes like this from far away. Maybe. Oh, might be a lever. I get it.
All of these are connected, and then it connects to the battery. I like working on robotics and using mechanical arms and robotics and effects all at the same time, trying to get them to talk together.
Learning problem solving skills that Project Lead the Way curriculum teaches you is going to help you in whatever field that you go through.
You're working on something huge and you're making a huge impact.
You walk into a PLTW classroom, what you find is tremendous excitement, passion, not only from the teachers, but from students.
Project Lead the Way is great in that there's so much hands-on. Every activity we do gives the kids the chance to have a more in-depth understanding.
With like your biology class, you kind of hit certain points, but then with the biomedical classes, you go more in depth with diseases and heart functions and body functions.
Project Lead the Way has 5 programs, all of which are designed to prepare students for post-secondary education and careers in the global economy. Launch is for students in kindergarten through 5th grade, designed to capture their interest in and spark a lifelong passion for math and science. Our Gateway program for students in 6th through 8th grade is a series of 9-week units that continues to engage students' natural curiosity and problem solving and shows them the relevancy of math and science in their lives. And we have 3 high school programs. The engineering program is a series of full-year courses that gives students a deeper look at the engineering design process and teaches them to think critically, solve problems, and to collaborate. In our biomedical science program, students explore human medicine, public health, human body systems, and medical careers. And finally, our computer science program, which is designed to build student interest and engagement in computer science, develop computational thinking skills, and explore topics like programming, data mining, and cybersecurity. When we think of the STEM pipeline, science, technology, engineering, mathematics, it's clear across our nation that we have a shortage.
This is where the jobs are. This is where the future is. There's a national interest. There's a national security interest. There's just a ton of reasons to get better at science, technology, engineering, and math.
We want students to understand that when they leave high school or they go into college or post-secondary education, they go to the workplace, they're not going to find themselves isolated and as single problem solvers, but rather as group problem solvers.
They're not given a textbook answer. There's not a textbook lab to follow. They really have to think of their own problems and their own solutions.
We learned how to calculate the stress throughout every part of a bridge. That's how we determined how to build our bridge. We knew we had to put support right here, so that it didn't collapse right away.
We have to think differently about the way we engage students. So we spend a lot of time training teachers, helping them learn to teach differently.
We have teachers that
go to summer training every year, and they take the Project Lead the Way courses. When they come back to us, they're teaching us current stuff that's in the field today.
This is a big component of the course, working through this and practicing it, asking each other questions and talking through it. Hopefully we're going over the questions the students will have.
Our students do better, they persist, they outperform, and most importantly, they get excited about learning.
All of our students who have participated in Project Lead the Way, their tests on ACT are through the roof.
It's also going to help them perform better in college and later in life because you're introducing skills that will be beneficial to them.
I already know that when I go into college, I want to jump right into engineering. I definitely feel like being exposed to it for 4 years, I can't go a year without it.
Education is complex. That's why our partners are so important. Our university partners in helping with outreach and professional development of teachers, engaging with our students, recruiting our students, but also all of our corporate partners. And we have both national partners and partners across America that understand the importance of this work, but have also recognized how important Project Lead the Way is to America's economy and improving educational outcomes for all students.
Project Lead the Way, it combines Cargill's philanthropy with the active volunteerism of our employees in a number of locations. So in that regard, I get very excited by the way in which Project Lead the Way carries out its work.
The students coming through our program have developed critical skills and knowledge that are highly desirable in the marketplace. So that's why universities and companies are recruiting our students.
They're more successful. It works. It's the best package I've ever seen.
Project Lead the Way has influenced me because if I would have never taken classes like this, I would have never had those options for me. I would have never had that experience.
Taking these type of courses is a huge advantage.
I'm so thankful for having such a good program like this.
I'm so happy that I found PLTW.
Now it's definitely one of the things I'm thinking about doing as a career because I really like this class and it's a lot of fun.
It's definitely something you should take. It's a life-changing experience.
All right. Well, that is Project Lead the Way. Sorry it's so dark. I'm actually on duty on Thursday night. It's like 12:51 in the morning. So I just wanted to introduce you to a little bit of what the students are going to be doing. It's going to be challenging for me, but it's definitely going to be challenging for the students, but we'll get through it together. Thank you for your time. Just drop by, see what we're doing. Give me about a week or so, but I will. We're all going to be better for this course, and hopefully the elementary can get the launch course. I'll be doing Gateway, and then high school, hopefully they can jump on board with the other courses you saw. All right, that's it. Have a great day, and thank you for your time.